Hi, today I'm shortly comparing the Røde VideoMic NTG and the Røde VideoMicro. So, first up, here are the two microphones, the Røde VideoMicro and the Røde VideoMic NTG. You can see one is significantly bigger than the other, also quite a bit heavier, I don't know the stats. This one, the VideoMicro, comes with the dead cat, and the VideoMic NTG comes with the foam core. Okay, let's first put on the VideoMicro. Okay, the Røde VideoMicro. I am standing half a meter in front of the camera or the microphone. And does it sound any good? Is it nice? Now I'm going to the side. This is how it sounds from the same distance from the side. And this is how it sounds from the same distance from the back. Alright, now let's hear the Røde VideoMic NTG. This is how the Røde VideoMic NTG sounds from about the same distance. Is this any good? Is this better than the Røde VideoMicro? Now I'm going to the side. This is how the Røde VideoMic NTG sounds from the side, from also half a meter distance. And this is how the Røde VideoMic NTG sounds from half a meter behind it. Was this good? Does it sound good? Now, last but not least, this is how it sounds without any microphone. And this is how it sounds from the side without a microphone. And this is how it sounds from the back. The Røde VideoMic NTG has one feature that I couldn't find online, if it has it or not, and that is you can plug the USB into your computer and then plug headphones right into the microphone, and you will hear the computer audio. You will also hear yourself talking, but this microphone has a minus 20 decibel feature. It's a nice little button. If you press that, only the microphone will be minus 20 decibels and the PC sound is still the same. So you can actually use this as a video mic for video purposes, but you can also use it for Skype and whatnot. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, I want to see how it sounds when I'm walking with it. I'm walking on gravel, by the way. Is this any good?